Hello everyone. So let's discuss about the different trigger events we are having. So you all are aware about the Apex trigger, and in the Apex trigger we are having the different trigger events. Now based on this events only we will going to run our logic or our trigger will going to fire. If your trigger event is not correct, then you will not going to get the result as per the requirement or as per the expectation. So whenever you will going to write a Apex trigger, you should be clear what event I will going to use. Okay, then accordingly you will going to run your trigger. Now here you are aware about that there are two types of trigger we are having. The first one is the before and the second is the after trigger. Now based on these two types of trigger we will going to now have the different types of events. So the very first event comes here is the from the before insert, before update and before delete. Similarly from the after we are having before, after insert, after update, after delete and after undelete. So here additional one more event is there in the after, which is known as after undelete. So let's discuss one by one about these events with the example when to use which one and what context variable will going to give you the value based on the trigger events.